surprised a student in Texas after she wrote to her about their mutual love of typewriters.
That's a lot of
In the documentary California Typewriter, Hank says he is bound to give typewriters away to anybody who asks him for one. So Jessica, a student at the Fusion Academy in Sugar Land, Texas, sent a letter to Hanks to do just that, and Hanks was true to his word. The present came with a typewritten letter from the actor.
The future is now in your hands. Don't merely type on this machine. Create, dream, wax, and make. Let me know how it goes. Tom Hanks.
Hanks also wrote a book about his love for typewriters called Uncommon Type. Her reaction at the best is the best part at the end.
So excited. Yeah, there's something special about the typewritten word. You know, when just a regular piece of paper, you're not printing it on the printer, it makes a lot of sense.
I wonder if he's going to have to come up with a lot more typewriters. He
probably has a bunch.
Right. I want one.
Yeah, we got
you
one
remember
right
the
over
pain, though, when you got to the very end and then you made that mistake, you had to get the white out. Move it back.
Or do it all over again. Oh,
the good old days.